Hi, quick video to explain how to use Magicplan and how it might save you time doing floor plans and surveys on EPCs. Okay, so open up the app, new project, and then press this. So we're going to go for ground floor, and then insert room, and then add a not add a square room, auto scan. Begin. So we're in the kitchen at the moment, and then it just starts drawing. Takes in the window, thinks it was a door. Now it knows it's a window. There, that thinks it's a door. Make sure you get the ceilings, draws the floor, all the surroundings. It's also a good idea to have the lights on. Makes it a bit easier, but LiDAR really saves you a lot of time because it measures all the windows, gives you the floor areas. Okay, so that looks like that room's done. So we press this button here. Room scan complete, confirm scan. And then we go to the next room. Press scan, living room. And then it starts drawing the edges. There we go. Make sure you get that cupboard in there. So the cupboard will, so going inside and scanning the cupboard, that will leave some blanks because obviously it's a bit dark to scan in there, but then I'll show you how to autofill the gaps. Okay, so that's another room complete. Confirm. So we're in the hallway. Press start, press hallway. Putting the door in, get the staircase, the lines there, door frame. Okay, that looks pretty much complete. No, it doesn't like that, so we need to do a bit more scanning. Give that a go. Yep. Confirm. Downstairs loo. So toilet. Where's the toilet? There we go. So let's scan that. So we've done the whole ground floor. Press done. Generate floor plan. And there we go. Look at that. Didn't take very long. Better than, doing it on paper and then going back home and drawing it up. Obviously, like things like this stairwell needs turning round. Just delete that. So you select it, press delete, then go to insert, object, structural, scroll down, stairs, and then just put them there. Okay, and we want the electric meter in there. So we go insert, object, favourites, electric meter, put that inside the cupboard, double click on it, and then go display field over the object, and then text, add text, electric meter. Save. And then down, and then it's on the floor plan electric meter. Put the gas meter on the outside of the front of the house. So the front door is here, the gas meter is there. So insert, object, favourites, gas meter, put that there, display, above, below object, and then what's it called, below object, add text, gas, save, and there's the gas meter. And that's how you use Magicplan. Okay, so that's the ground floor done. So you just hit the plus button and then you hit first floor, insert room, auto scan, begin, and it's bedroom. I hope we had the light on. And now it scans, adds the window. We've got a pitched roof, sloping ceiling, insulation as built in a 70s house. So that's going to rinse the EPC rating. And then press done, confirm scan, scan another room, bathroom, so you insert that extractor fan into the plan. Done. Confirm. Next room. So bedroom. Now the curtains are shut here, but it will still be able to measure the window, I think. We'll have to see. There, it's done it. Now look at that. So phones that come with LiDAR are any iPhone Pro after the 12. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, Pro and Pro Max. Also, a few iPads come with that. Oh, wait a minute, I need to complete the room. Getting carried away here. Complete the room. Confirm scan. Scan another room. And then we'll go bedroom. Confirm scan. There we go. Now let's do the hallway. So add hallway. It seems to have got the window in the wrong place, but it's roughly the same size. It's like a mid-floor window on the stairwell. That looks pretty much like it. No, it wants me to do a bit more scanning. No, a bit more. Probably because it's a bit dark in here. That was a bit that we'd missed, I think. There. Confirm scan. Okay, and then done. Continue floor plan. So we go insert, room, add filler, filler room, go down closet, and then just put that there. Okay, and then the same again for the cupboard. So room, add filler, filler room, oops, not balcony, delete, delete, insert, room, filler room, and we want closet, not balcony, closet. There we go. And just put that in there. And then we've got the hot water tank over here. There's the hot water tank. So press plus, object, favorites, hot water tank. There. Okay. Anything else we need to add in here? Oh, the extractor fan in the bathroom. So insert, object, favorites. Oh, it doesn't like the extractor fan, has to select a wall for that one. So go back, first floor, bathroom wall. There we go. And then insert, object, favorites, extractor fan. There we go. And then let's put a label on it so it can be seen. Display label, below object. Okay. And then add label, fan, save, down, and there's the fan there. Okay, sink slightly out of the way. We're going to move that. Okay. Anything else we need to add? No room thermostat, but we have radiators. So each room's got a radiator. So insert, object, favorite, radiator, and stick that in there, and then duplicate, stick that in there, duplicate, stick that one in there. Make it a bit neater. And that's it. Ground floor, forgot the boiler, let's go put that in. Okay, so insert, object, favorites, gas furnace, put that there. Okay, and then there's a programmer there. So we can go insert, object, favorites, thermostat, and I'll just rename it programmer, but there's no thermostat at this property. Display label, above object, and then text, prog, gamma. There we go, save, and then back, and there's programmer. Okay, I don't bother with low energy lights, I just mark them on the site notes. Okay, so we go back. And there we go. Ground and first floor. Nice and easy. Well, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like the idea of using LiDAR, have a look in the description or in the comments. And I'll drop the link so you can enter the competition. It's £2 a ticket and there's only 1,000 tickets. Bye.